If your audio is not matching the video in VLC Media Player, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that it's usually very easy to fix. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix audio delay in VLC Media Player using a couple of simple keyboard shortcuts, so you can get your sound and video perfectly synced in just a few moments. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and easy how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video that has the audio sync issue. This is important because you want to adjust the timing while the video is actively playing so you can hear and see the difference in real time. Once your video is open and playing, pay attention to whether the audio is coming in too early or too late compared to the video. If the audio is lagging behind the picture, you'll need to delay it slightly. To do that, press the J key on your keyboard. Each time you press G, VLC will delay the audio a little more, helping push the sound back so it lines up better with the video. After each press, listen again and check whether the voices, music, or sound effects are syncing properly with what's happening on screen. If the audio is now coming in too late and needs to be moved forward instead, press the K key. This shortcut advances the audio, which means it brings the sound closer to the video timing. You can press J and K as many times as needed until everything matches up. The key here is to make small adjustments and test as you go. Don't worry if it takes a few tries, that's completely normal when fixing sync issues. Keep watching the scene and listening carefully until the lips, actions, and sound all feel aligned. Once the audio and video are matching correctly, you're done. VLC makes this process fast, simple, and very convenient, especially if you just want a quick fix without editing the file itself. So to recap, open your video in VLC, press J to delay the audio, press K to advance the audio, and keep adjusting until the sound is perfectly synced with the picture. If this helps solve your problem, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.